हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं विजय कुमार गुप्ता आपके लिए आज के इस वीडियो में क्लास 9th का साइंस के पार्ट का जो बायोलॉजी है उस बायोलॉजी का नेक्स्ट चैप्टर आपका है टिश्यू। इस टिश्यू का वीडियो लेके आए हैं। इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे व्हाट इज टिश्यू, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टिश्यू, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू, व्हाई इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट। ओके, तो कम ऑन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज टिश्यू। वी नो दैट in the previous class about cells. Cell is the unit of body. Cell is the structural and functional unit of body. Okay, in a unicellular tissue, in a unicellular organisms, all mechanisms, all life activities complete in a only one cells. Example: amoeba, paramecium, eglina, etc. But in the multicellular organisms, all type work are divided in our body on the base of tissue. Okay. First of all, cell. When cell combine to form tissue and tissue combine to form organ and organ combine to form organ system, then organ system combine to form body. Okay, note it. So we know about tissue. टिश्यू की डिवीजन हम जानेंगे। एक ग्रुप ऑफ सेल विच हैव सेम ओरिजिन, सेम फंक्शन एंड सेम स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नोन एज टिश्यू। सेम ओरिजिन, सेम फंक्शन एंड सेम स्ट्रक्चर्स, a group of cells are known as tissue. ये branch of science which study about tissue are called histology. Histology. What is histology? Histology is the branch of science which study about tissue. Okay, the father of histology. Who is the father of histology? Father of histology M.F. Xavier, M.F. Xavier Beckett. ठीक है, उदय फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी M.F. Xavier Beckett. Okay, you are satisfied about tissue, histology and father of histology. We discuss the tissue. What is tissue? Same origin, same function and same structures. A group of cells are called tissue. Tissue only present in the multicellular organisms but absent in the unicellular organisms because only in the unicellular organisms have only one cells. All life activities complete in only one cell, so does not form tissue. But in the multicellular organisms, all works are divided according to their functions. All parts, all organs are divided according their functions. So, in the multicellular organisms, a compulsory tissue. Okay, a branch of science which can study about tissue are called histology. The father of histology, M.F. Xavier. Okay, tissue present all multicellular plants and multicellular animals, but some are different between plant and animal tissues. Okay, first of all, discuss about plant tissue. Plant tissue. It is present only plant because it is a plant tissue. Okay. Classification of tissue. Classification of tissue. Tissues are mainly two types. One is plant tissue and second is animal tissue. A plant tissue. Classification of the plant tissue. Classification of plant tissue. Plant tissue. Tissue are mainly divided into two types. First is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue or meristem. Okay, and second is tissue. Permanent tissue. The meristematic means division of cell. यानी which type of tissue which is capable of division of this cell. Cells are capable of cell division and have totipotency. Okay, permanent tissue does not have capable of cell division. Mature cells no capable cell division. It means meristematic cells have capable of cell division and totipotency of power. Cell division means formation of new cells from old cells, and totipotency means repairing of cell divisions. It is present in the meristematic tissue but absent in the permanent tissue, which are mature cells. Okay, now divided meristematic tissue in the three types. First, apical cell. Apical. Second, lateral, and next intercalary. Apical means the tip part of the root and shoot. Sorry, the tip parts of the root and stem. Tip part of stem and root. Okay. Lateral means in lateral side of the plant. Lateral means lateral is present in below bark, cambium, bark, cambium in dicot. In dicot, root and stem. Okay. Next, intercalary. Internodes are stem. Meristematic tissues or meristem are divided into three types. First is apical. Apical means the tips part of the root and stem. Suppose that it is a plant. The top part of the stems also present apical cells, and lowest part is the roots also present apical cells, which are always divided into new cells. Okay. In lateral cells, lateral tissues means below bark, cambium, in dicot, roots and stems. Suppose this is a plant. Inside of the plant present a lateral cells which are also divided. Then the growth or the increase of the diameter of plant. When apical cell divisions, the plant are growth, elongation, but in the case of lateral cells, when divided lateral cells, the plant development in their growth, in their diameters. Okay. Next, intercalaries present in the between nodes, which are examples. ये bamboo or a grass. Bamboo suppose that same structure, it is a nodes. Also node. What is internodes? Internodes means the between area of the two nodes are known as internodes. The between area of two nodes are called internodes. So internodes, it is a total area also known as internode. Internodes. When intercalary cell division, the internode growth of the plant. Okay, noted. Okay, the second permanent tissue. Permanent tissue does not have the power of cell division. Permanent tissue also divided into two types. The first, simple, and second, complex. Okay. Simple. Simple tissue is a protective and supporting. Simple tissues or cells protective and supporting. Protective and supporting. Simple tissues works protective and supporting. Supporting tissue composed of single type of cell. Okay. Next, complex. The main function of the complex tissue is conducting tissue composed of more than one type of cell. Complex tissue, the main work of the complex tissue, conducting. Tissue composed of more than one type of cells are called complex tissue. The simple tissues composed of single type of cells, only one type of cells. Complex tissue also divided into two types. First is xylem, second is phloem. Xylem also divided into four types. Xylem vessels, second tracheids, third xylem parenchyma, and fourth fibers. Plant tissue, divided into two types. Phylum parenchyma. This is a classification of plant cell. Now discuss about one by one. Plant cell also divided into two types. First is meristematic tissue or meristems. Second, permanent tissue. In the case of meristems, have a power of cell divisions and a power of totipotency. Power of cell division means the formation of new cells from old cells. It is only present in the meristematic tissue or meristems. And totipotency means the repair of damaged cells and replace the old and damaged cells and the place a new cells are originate. It is known as totipotency. Meristematic cells also divided into three types. First is apical cells, second is lateral cells, and third is the intercalary cells. In the apical cells, it is present on the tips part of the stem and roots. Suppose that this is a plant. The upper part of the plant is also known as apical cells, and lower part of the plants are roots, also known as apical cells. Apical cells present a tips part of the roots and tips part of the stem. It is also always divided. A great power of cell division present in the apical cells. Okay, when apical cell division the plant elongation. The plant elongation and growth of the plant in the length. Then lateral cells are present in the side of the plant, stems or roots. When division of the lateral cells, the diameter increases of the plant and the growth of the plant in diameter. Okay. In the case of intercalary cells, in intercellular cells are present in between two nodes. Examples: it is a bamboo or grass which are divided into nodes. It is a node, also node. What is intercalary? The space between two nodes are known as intercalary cell. The space between two nodes are known as intercalary cell. When division in the intercalary cells are called intercalary cell divisions. It is a intercalary place. When intercalary cell division, the internodes, growth of the internodes in the plant case. Okay. Next, permanent tissue. Permanent tissue which are mature cells have no capable of cell divisions and totipotency power. It means permanent tissues which are mature cells does not cell divisions. The permanent tissue also divided into two types. First is a simple cells, second is a complex cells. Simple cells also divided into three types. Simple cells means simple tissues means which are tissues are made of only one type of cells. Simple cells protective and supporting of the plant and composed by only one type of cells or single type of cells are known as simple cells. In the complex cells tissues, it is the support of the plant or conducting of the plant. Conducting the plant. Conducting. What is conduct? Water and minerals and food materials. Okay. Is discuss next video. Simple cells also divided into three types. First is a parenchyma, second is a collenchyma, और third is a sclerenchyma. ठीक है. Next, complex tissue. Its work conducting of the food materials, water and minerals, whole part of the plant. Complex tissue also divided into two types: xylem and phloem. Xylem, the main function of the xylem, the conduct of water and minerals from root to the leaf. It is completed by xylem. We know that the formation of food materials in the plant in leaves. What are the raw materials of the photosynthesis process? Water, minerals and CO2. CO2 absorbed by atmosphere and water absorbed by earth, from earth by roots. Water and minerals conduct by xylem from roots to all part of the plant, mainly leaves. Then xylem also divided into four types: xylem muscles, tracheids, xylem parenchyma and fiber. The next complex tissue, phloem. The phloem main works the transport of the food materials from leaves to all parts of the plant. Phloem also divided into 4 types of cells: sheath tubes, companion cells, fibers, and phloem parenchyma. Okay, note it. We discuss about one by one type of tissues. First is a meristematic tissue. First, meristematic tissue or meristem. What is meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissues have a power of cell divisions. Meristematic tissues have a power of cell divisions and totipotency. Meristematic tissues are present in the tips part of the plant, stem or leaves, and growing region of the plant. Meristematic tissues are present in the tips part of the plant as root tips, as stem leaves, and where their growing of the plants or cell division of the plant. It is a meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are divided into 3 types. First, apical cell division. Apical meristem. Apical meristem means apical meristems are apical cells present at the tips part of the root and stem. It is always divided into new cell. So it is present at the tips part of the root and shoot. Then increase the length of the stem. Okay. Second, lateral meristem or cell. Lateral cell. Lateral means side of the plant. Lateral cells are present in the side of the plant, root or shoot. When lateral cell division, the increased diameter of the plant. Okay, diameter of the plant. Intercalary cell. Intercalary cell. Intercalary means intercalary cells present between 2 nodes. This type of cell divisions, the increase of the internodes of the plant. Suppose that is a plant. This part have present cells are called apical cells. Apical meristem. And in the middle place, it is a intercalary cells. It is a intercalary meristem. And this side of the plant, the cells are present are called lateral cells. It is known as lateral meristem. Draw it. Next, permanent tissue. We discuss about permanent tissues. We know that meristematic cells have a capable cell division and totipotency power of the plant. But in the case of permanent tissues, have no capable of cell divisions, which are mature cells. Present in the permanent tissues does not have power of cell division and totipotency power. Okay, permanent tissue also divided into two types, simple and complex. It is divided into two types, first simple and second complex. First simple permanent tissue. Permanent tissue means those type of cells have those type of tissues in which does not have a power of cell divisions or cell division stopped are called permanent tissues. So permanent tissue also divided into two types, first is simple, second complex. The simple permanent tissues, these tissues are composed only one type of cell. ठीक है, simple permanent tissue means though these tissues are composed only one type of cells are called simple permanent tissue. Okay, the work of the simple permanent tissue, supporting and protection of the plant. Supporting and protection of the plant bodies, the function of simple permanent tissue. Okay, simple permanent tissues are divided into three types. One is parenchyma. These type of cells which are loosely composed and has a large intercellular space are called parenchyma. Has loosely bounded and has a large space between among of the cells. The function of the parenchyma in supporting of the plant. When the main function of the some staphyte of the parenchyma. One parenchyma with chloroplast. ठीक है, parenchyma with chloroplast which performs photosynthesis. Next, पैरेंकाइमा with पैरेंकाइमा with a large cavity are called Parenchyma and parenchyma with chloroplast which perform photosynthesis are called chlorenchyma. Next, parenchyma also store food and water. ठीक है, some extra fact about parenchyma. First, parenchyma with chloroplast which perform photosynthesis are called chlorenchyma. यानी which type of parenchyma has chloroplast? This type of parenchyma are called chlorenchyma. The chlorenchymas performs photosynthesis, means preparation of food materials. Next, parenchyma with a large cavity are called erenchyma. In the case of hydrolytic plants which are present in the water, their leaves, their stems have a large intercellular space and has air then floating in the water. This type of parenchyma are called erenchyma. And function of the parenchyma, the store food and water. Okay, noted. Next, chlorenchyma. This type of tissue provide mechanical support of the plant. Mechanical support of plant. Mechanical support of the plant. Very little intercellular space. Next, sclerenchyma. These type of tissues makes hard and thickened a plant. Next, have no cellular space. This type of sclerenchymas, this type of tissues makes hard and thickened of the plant. इस टाइप के जो भी टिश्यू होती हैं वो प्लांट को थिक करता, मोटा करता है एंड उसको हार्डनेस बनाता है, स्टिफ बनाता है और इनके बीच में इंटरसेल्युलर स्पेस एब्सेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, these type of cells डेड. इस टाइप के जो भी सेल होती हैं वो डेड होती हैं. इसके बाद एक आते हैं गार्ड सेल एंड एपिडर्मल सेल्स. देखिए, गार्ड सेल जो होता है वो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैस में हेल्प करता है. जो स्टोमेटा होता है उस स्टोमेटा के ओपन और क्लोजिंग में जो हेल्प करता है वो होता है गार्ड सेल. ठीक है, वो गार्ड सेल स्टोमेटा की ओपन और क्लोज की जो प्रोसेस है उस प्रोसेस में हेल्प करता है, उसको टाइमली से ओपन करने में और क्लोज करने में। नेक्स्ट इसमें होते हैं एपिडर्मल टिश्यूज। जो एपिडर्मल जो टिश्यू होते हैं वो वाटर को और मिनरल्स में अर्थ से एब्जॉर्ब करने में रूट को हेल्प करते हैं। ठीक है, इसके बाद के जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट बचा हुआ है इसके बाद की वीडियो में लेके आएंगे। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।